Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker JBL Grip. Firstly, make sure that you enable the Bluetooth. Open control panel to check it and enable the Bluetooth if it's disabled. After that, your speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices that we need to do this manually after you turn on the Bluetooth. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your speaker at the device list, and we just reconnect it. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so you can try to do this also on your Android device. Next step is to perform software set. To perform the software set, at the top of your speaker we have power button. Firstly, we should turn off the speaker. Press one time at the power button. We turn off it, the speaker disconnects from the phone, and then we should turn on the speaker. So press one time at the power button again. And your speaker turn on, and then reconnect to your phone, this time automatically for all platforms. But as I said previous, sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So try to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices and then tap at your speaker. Next step is to perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side, on your speaker, we have plain pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2. After that, you can release your finger, and then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click forget this device button or forget device or forget or remove or unpair or maybe something else. And forget device, and you will remove it, because without it, so after you remove your speaker, you need to press one time at the power button to turn on it, and your speaker enters to mode. And if you do not remove it, on iOS you tap to reconnect, and it will ask you to remove this device. On Android it will show you connectional problem, so we need to remove it. And let's do this. After you remove your speaker and turn on it, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After that, you will see your speaker at the device list, and you need to tap at your speaker. We just reconnect it. If you want to reconnect it with the app, you need to open JBL Portable app and then wait a bit. And now, as you can see, it automatically reconnected with the app. Then, you need to check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution to you. We can reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is that once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this, and firstly I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we should go to the general settings. So you need to scroll down, click at the general line, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click at the reset. In this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we use this button. Now write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the System. So scroll down. You need to find System and tap at the System line. Scroll down again, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, we have Reset options. Tap at this line. Then you should select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!